Hello everyone. I hope you all are well and stress free. But there's no life at all without stress. So take a look with me what is stress and how we can manage it in the proper way. Stress has been defined in different ways over the years. It affects our physical, emotional behavior and mental state as and when we come in contact with different environmental factors. These factors can be political, administrative, family condition, ethical, or economical. But what is stress management? Stress management is how we can manage the stress, how we can avoid the stress, alter the stress, adapt the stress. There are different features of a stress. Stress occur due to the environmental factors. Stress can be positive, it can be negative. Stress is short term or temporary or long term or permanent. It is a big cost for any organization. It varies from one individual to another. Different symptoms of stress are nausea, frustration, high blood pressure, digestive problems, tension, emotional instability, sleeping problems, and other different problems. Two types of stress are there: eustress and distress. Eustress produces positive impact on the mind or on the body. It improves our work efficiency. For example, the stress during the exams help us to work hard, whereas distress is not necessary. It produces negative impact. It decreases our work efficiency. Example, job insecurity. There are different factors which causes stress. Environmental stressors. As I told you before, it is economical, political, family condition, ethical, or social. Second is organizational stressor like rigid policies, processes, wrong hierarchy, wrong or poor structures, poor working conditions. Third, group stressors. When there's a lack of support and help from the colleagues or the peer group, then what will happen? It causes stress. Second is conflict. Next is individual stressors like job security. If there is a lack of job security, then it is a big stress. Change in the life structure, stress and behavior, relocation, and uncertainty. Three different symptoms are there. Behavioral symptoms includes drug addiction, smoking, alcohol. Physiological symptoms like high blood pressure, headache, heart and kidney problems. Psychological symptoms it include irritation, frustration, fear, emotional instability, losing of confidence, feeling of defeats, etc. GAS is General Adaptation Syndrome. It means the degree of stress passes through three stages: alarm stage, resistance stage, and exhaustion stage. So, first of all, we'll study alarm stage. It is a warning stage and occur as a first sign of stress. Many physiological and chemical reactions occur. The signs are or the symptoms are muscles become tense, pupil dilate, increase hormone flow, increase pituitary adrenaline secretion, increase respiration, heart trouble, high blood pressure are the major symptoms. So for workout, we should do the physical exercise or take the treatment from the psychiatrist to prevent the alarm stage, because if alarm stage is not controlled, then it will lead to very long ill effects, which is called resistance or adaptation stage. Signs are irritability, nervousness, tension, frustration, uneasiness, poor concentration, etc. If these effects persist for long time, then what will happen? People will not be able to concentrate on the work. So there is a need to identify the root of the stress and remove them permanently. But if it is not removed, it leads to third stage, which is called exhaustion stage. It is the result of long chronic stress. Here the body psyche is affected, means mental problems are there. What are the symptoms? Physical and the mental pressures. Individual develop ulcers, high blood pressure, fatigue, burnout, depression, anxiety, negative opinion, and helplessness. Organization where employees are suffering from such syndrome should take corrective actions and do their physical and psychological treatment so that they will be able to give their 100%. There are 4 A's to deal with stress. First of all, you have to change the situation or you have to change your reaction. If you are changing the situation, it means you are avoiding the stressors. You are altering the stressors. But if you are changing your reaction, it means you are adapting to stresses or accepting the stressors. 4A are very important in stress management. So how we can avoid stresses? By saying no. Learn to say no. If you do not want to do anything, if it is putting stress on you, then say no. Avoid people who stresses you. Take control of your environment. Avoid those topics which put you on the argument. Make a to-do list. Whatever you want to do, you should make a list. You should alter the situation by expressing your feelings, by ready to compromise, by managing your time management, and be more assertive. Means you should be straightforward to say anything. You can adapt to stresses by reframing the problems, means why we are getting stress. So you can reframe the problems. So you will be able to find the answer. Looking at the big picture, it means if anything is happening, you should look at the back point, means what are the facts, actual facts, so that you will be able to get some positivity. So you have to focus on the positive part of the problems and adjust your standards according to that. Next is to accept stressors. We can accept stressors by sharing feelings. Do not try to control whatever is not in your control. Look for the upside. You have to search the opportunity in the stressors also. For example, in this COVID-19 scenario, you should look for the opportunity instead of saying, oh, what a blunder, what had happened. You have to search for good opportunities. You can learn so many things at home. You can relive your past. You can do the painting. You can start your cooking classes. So start whatever is your passion. Now learn to forgive. If you will learn to forgive, more than 50% stress is gone. Give time for fun and relaxation. Go for a walk, spend time in nature, connect with other people who gives you pleasure and avoid those give you stress. Play with the pets, listen to the music, keep good sense of humor. Adopt healthy lifestyle. Exercise regularly, eat healthy, drink lot of water, reduce sugar and caffeine, get enough sleep. So all these things will help you in managing the stress. Still, if you have any problem related to stress, you can put the comment in the comment box. I will definitely going to give you the reply. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you want the notes of this topic, then I'm putting the link in the description box. You can download the links. I'm also preparing the video in Hindi. So if any of your friend, any of your peer group want to see the video in Hindi, then you can watch my video in Hindi also कि हम अपने तनाव को कैसे प्रबंध कर सकते हैं अपने तनाव का. Thank you for today. So, nurturing yourself is necessity, not a luxury. So, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.